Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. And when you consider where the price was at its low points, and then all of a sudden where it ultimately closed, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price certainly did make a very nice move on the day. But that does lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the 305 mark. So why is 305 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 305. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back into this range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with these lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here. However, in this situation, behaves like that before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have here? Well, now you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And that's what 305 is representing as the progress point, which, as you see, would still take quite a bit of a deep pullback. But even with that deep pullback, the overall chart does still have that opportunity at progress. So 305, definitely an important level going into Thursday. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at right now, key level of resistance right up there at $3.33, give or take a couple pennies. So that'll be public enemy number one going further. But overall, any way you look at it, great movement today. Nice momentum. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.